Okay, hello guys, today I'll show you how to set up the FIFINE control deck, specifically use it as a soundboard. I'm not gonna show anything else in this video. So, already you see I have some sounds, voice changer, Google for some reason is random. You can hear them. So basically, first thing you will need is download voice mod. I will link it in description. It's a free software. You download it, install it. So here we're gonna see you can make a soundboard. You have to pay if you want to make more, like different ones. I made mine. So you make it, you call it whatever you want. Then from here you can press add. See, I already added sounds. And here are all the sounds. Voices. You can, like, if you want just voices, like, so it sounds differently. But for sounds, all content. And here is all the sounds you can add.
My name is Anderding.
So okay, let's say you first of all you're gonna press plus here. As you see, I added them. If you wanna remove them, of course minus. Like I already have added once you add it. Then you go back to here, FIFINE. You're gonna open voice mod. You're gonna find the sound play. You're gonna drag it on. Here you're gonna find, this is my like what I call my voice soundboard. Click it, and here you choose the sound. Like for example, I put the Yoshi. Now I click it on my soundboard. I put Ninja. And that's basically how it works. If you want to remove it, obviously delete. And you remove it. And that's how you make it in a soundboard. Hope this video helped you. See you next one. Bye.